Inga kupeji ya ntambi omulundi ogusemba.
Yes.
Frank ntambi.
Frank.
Don't you dare ever carry Irene Ntale again.
Never do it again.
In English, pass again.
I tell you, my brother, if you want to be with freedom in this life, when you see Irene Ntale, learn like and see.
Have you heard?
Roger that.
You got that? Never to dare.
And you
Never dare.
Never dare.
Never
Again in your
entire life.
Run like and say agobe enjobe.
Learn like and say agobe.
Like Eddie Mutwe.
Because you don't have that moral authority to touch on wife's buttocks.
Have you had it?
Have you had it?
I've had.
Now you say sorry.
Let us go in a center puzzle.
Shalom. You are recording.
I'm recording. That's why I was recording. Abeso nyu. Atane
cannot touch Irene.
Atane Irene Ntale wenu puzzle. Tulaga amanyi omukubire ku simu.
The whole world knows that Irene is for puzzle.
Yes.
So why do you bring your coat and your tie to touch our
Irene.
Shalom ye yankwat.
Nedda wakole ekintu
nze yalera.
Irene Ntale bwe yajja teyasitukawo. Tewasitukawo. Ne wonna no mesmerizinga. You are mesmerized.
Mesmerized.
Sunday Nation nakola ne ku Sunday Nation nga yewana mbuyi.
Yawanyika ne post ku Facebook era Irene nza kusaana.
Go and delete that.
Katengende mugundi bagita batya?
Depression.
We shall bring for you a guard.
Bicycle.
Bring for you a bicycle. Go and remove that post.
Baku mukazi.
Gendo jeyo Facebook.